Hello, children. Good morning. How are you all? Fine. Very good. I am also fine. Children, open your textbook on page number 48. Activity 7. Join properly part A with part B using therefore or because. Enact them as per your teacher's guidance. Are you all ready, children? Okay. Children, part A અને part B ના sentences join કરતા પહેલા let's learn about the use of therefore. Therefore નો use કરીને sentences કઈ રીતે join કરી શકાય તે learn કરી લઈએ. Let's watch. Look at the picture, children. The girls are going to school, right? Now let's see the sentences. We want to learn, therefore we go to school. Children, the first sentence is we want to learn. The another sentence is we go to school. Here these two sentences are joined by therefore. So the sentence is we want to learn, therefore we go to school. The next picture is, look at the girl. She is dancing. Now let's see the sentences. She dances badly. Therefore, she needs practice. The first sentence is she dances badly. The second sentence is she needs practice. And these two sentences are joined by therefore. So the final sentence is she dances badly. Therefore, she needs practice. Let's match part A with part B. Are you all ready? Good. Let's look into the book. I will help you to join the sentences. Children, let's join part A with part B. The first sentence is Manish won the race because he ran fast. Second sentence is Satish is in the bed because he is ill. Children, અહીંયા નંબર આપી અને મેં તમને હેલ્પ કરી દીધી છે. જો તમારે નંબર્સ આપવા હોય તમારી બુકમાં તો તમે આપતા જોજો, હો ને? The third sentence is Geeta arranged a party at her home because it was her father's birthday. The fourth sentence is Bhavini has not gone to school because she has a holiday in her school. Holiday માં તો કોઈ સ્કૂલે ન જાય ને. I will go for shopping because I want to buy new dress. નવા કપડાં બાય કરવા તો બધાને ગમે, શોપિંગ જવું પણ ગમે, હે ને? Radha gets a beautiful gift from her aunt. હવે ચિલ્ડ્રન ધ્યાનથી જુઓ, અહીંયા બીકોઝ નહીં આવે કેમ કે આ રિઝલ્ટ છે કે રીઝન છે. જુઓ જોઈએ. Radha gets a beautiful gift from her aunt. Therefore, she is very happy. The next sentence is we took umbrella with us because it was raining heavily. Number 7 લખી નાખજો children. And the last sentence is Satish likes gardening. Therefore, he made terrace garden at school. Give number 8 here. Children, જોયું ને કેટલું ઇઝીલી આપણે પાર્ટ એ અને પાર્ટ બી જોઈન કર્યું હે ને ચિલ્ડ્રન we have already joined part A with part B. Now, in the same activity, there is another instruction. Enact these sentences as per your teacher's guideline. So, children and teachers, are you all ready? Good. Let's watch the video.
First, Manish won the race
because
he ran fast. Second, Satish is in the bed
because
he is ill. Third, Geeta arranged a party at her home
because
it was her father's birthday. Fourth, Bhavini has not gone to school
because
has a holiday in her school. Fifth, I will go for shopping
because
I want to buy a new dress. Sixth, Radha gets a beautiful gift from her aunt.
therefore
She is very happy. Seventh, we took umbrella with us.
because
It was raining heavily. Eighth, Satish likes gardening.
therefore
He made a terrace garden at school.
જોયું ને મિત્રો Do you understand how to enact the sentences? Now, we will move to the next activity. Children, on page number 48, activity 8. Instruction is match A with B. Now, let's join part A with part B. We should not waste our time. આની સાથે કયું સેન્ટેન્સ આવશે? Yes, you are right. Because time is money. Very good. અહીંયા લખીશું number 1. We should not waste water. કયું સેન્ટેન્સ આવશે? Because water is everywhere કે પછી because water is our life? You are right. Because water is our life. અહીંયા number 2 લખીશું. We should not smoke. Yes, because smoking is injurious to health. Very good. You all are genius. બધાને આવડવા માંડ્યું છે હો. We should take care of health because health is wealth. Number 4. Very good children. Part A અને part B મેચ થઈ ગયા છે.
Activity 9. Now I am reading the instructions. Listen it carefully. Fill in the blanks. Use therefore or because. Make cheats with the help of your teacher. Okay? The first blank is Reena is very happy. Blank. She got good marks in science subject test. Yes. Yes. What would be the answer? Yes. Right answer is because. And the meaningful sentence would be Rina is very happy because she got good marks in science subject test. Yes. Shall we go ahead? Okay. Next blank is we took winter clothes with us blank. We felt comfortable in cold during tour. Yes. Now tell me what would be the answer? Yes, take this sheet. Yes, it is therefore. Let's see, is it appropriate for the blank? No. Why? Yes, there is reason behind it. So, therefore will not come, but because will come. So, we took winter clothes with us because we felt comfortable in cold during tour. Okay, let's see the next blank. We are tired blank. We walked 12 kilometers on foot. Yes, Naina, pick up one sheet from the box. Tell me what is in the sheet. Yes, it is because. Let's see, is it appropriate for the blank? Yes, good. So the meaningful sentence is we are tired because we walked 12 kilometers on foot. Okay, fine. Let's see the next blank. Payal is a brave girl blank. She is not afraid of staying alone. Yes, Hitesh, take the sheet. What is in the sheet? Yes, it is therefore. Let's see, is it appropriate for the blank? Yes. Well done. Here, therefore will come because there is result behind it. So, the meaningful sentence is Payal is a brave girl, therefore she is not afraid of staying alone. Okay, shall we go ahead? Yes. Let's see the next blank. Snehal is happy blank. She has got prize in competition. Okay. Rakesh, take the sheet. What will be the answer? Yes, it is because. Let's see, is it appropriate for the blank? Yes, because there is reason behind it. So, the meaningful sentence is Snehal is happy because she has got prize in competition. Okay, fine. Let's see the last blank. And it is Maya is a kind girl blank. She helps everyone. Yes, now tell me what is in the chat. It is because. Why there is Because there is reason behind it. So the meaningful sentence is Maya is a kind girl because she helps everyone. Okay? Let's see another activity like it. તો તમને પોસ્ટર બનાવવા ગમે છે? ઓકે. Yes, work in pairs. Read the following slogans and make posters for one of them. First is save the trees. Second is keep environment clean. Third one, save girl child. Fourth one, reuse, reduce, recycle. Fifth, do not smoke. And the last one is health is wealth.
Page number 49. Have you opened the page? Yes, page number 49. Now let's start the activity. Activity 10. Read the story and answer the questions. Now let's start reading. One day, Chimpu Fox was wandering in the jungle. On the way, suddenly he saw a baby elephant, Jumbo. Jumbo was crying loudly. So Chimpu asked him, "Dear Jumbo, why are you crying?" Jumbo said, "Mickey slapped me." Chimpu asked, "Who is Mickey?" Jumbo said, "Mickey, the monkey." Chimpu again asked, "Why did he slap you?" Now friends, turn the page and come on page number 5050. Jumbo replied, "He was angry." Chimpu asked, "Why was he angry?" Jumbo replied, "I broke a branch by mistake." He was sitting on it. Chimpu said, "Well, there is a point. Say sorry and make him a friend." Jumbo said sorry to Mickey and they became friends again. તો મિત્રો તમને રીડિંગ કરવાની મજા પડી ને? Yes. Now in our textbook on page number 50 some questions are given. We have to read them and answer them. So are you ready for that? Yes. Then let's go on page number 50. Let's read the questions and try to answer them. Let's start. See on the page number 50 in your textbook. Questions. Question number 1. Who was Chimpu? Chimpu was a fox. Very good. Okay. Then let's write the answer in the textbook. Okay. You also write with me. Let us start the answer with Chimpu. Chimpu, CHIMPU. Chimpu was a, yes, Chimpu was a, Very good. Chimpu was a fox. F-O-X. Now let's move towards question number 2. Let's read the question first. Why was Jumbo crying? Why was Jumbo crying? Try to think. Yes, because Mickey slapped him. Very good. Now let's write the answer. Okay, we shall start from Jumbo. Jumbo, Jumbo, was crying because Mickey slapped him. Full stop. Let's move towards the question number 3. Let's read the question first. Who was Mickey? Mickey was monkey. Very good. Let's write the answer. We shall start from Mickey. Mickey, then we shall write was. Mickey was a monkey. Now let's move towards question number 4. Let's read first. Why did Mickey slap Jumbo? Because Jumbo broke a branch on which Mickey was sitting. Let's write the answer. We shall start from here. Mickey slapped because B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Jumbo broke. B-R-O-K-E. A branch. B-R-A-N-C-H. Because Jumbo broke a branch on which W-H-I-C-H. Mickey. On which Mickey was sitting. S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Full stop. Mickey slapped Jumbo because Jumbo broke a branch on which Mickey was sitting. Now let's move towards question number 5. How did Jumbo and Mickey become friends again? Now you remembered. Jumbo and Mickey became friends. Why? Because Jumbo said sorry to Mickey. याद આવ્યું ને તમને? Yes, Jumbo and Mickey became friends again because Jumbo said sorry to Mickey. Everybody has written? Yes, very good.
Page number 50. Activity 11th. Let's laugh.
There is Mr. Wykins. He always asks questions to everyone. All are sad. They are bored. Whenever Mr. Wykins comes, they run away from there. Mr. Wykins asks many questions to everyone. One day, Mr. Wykins meets Mr. Because. Let's see what happens. Mr. Wykins says, "Why are you here?" Mr. Because says, "Because I like this garden." Mr. Wykins say, "Why do you like it?" Mr. Because says, "Because I like colorful flowers." Mr. Wykins says, "Why the flowers are so colorful?" Mr. Because says, because of rain, sunlight, soil, and water. Mr. Wykins says, why don't I know this? Mr. Because says, because of your questions. Mr. Wykins say, why do I ask questions? Mr. Because says, because you don't know the answer. Mr. Wykins says, no, I know. Oops, I forget to ask question. Why? Mr. Because says, because I can give every answer to your questions. Number 2. Ant 1 says, oh, you are in hurry. Where are you going? Ant 2 says, I'm going to the hospital. Ant 1 says, why? Ant 2 says, an elephant met with an accident. I am going to give him my blood. Number 3. Jacob says, I have lost my dog. Walter says, why don't you give an advertisement in a newspaper? Jacob says, don't be silly. It cannot read.
કેવી મજા પડી ને? થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ. બાય બાય. નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ મળશું.
Today's question: Rahul likes cricket. Blank. He bought a bat. So for blank, options are here. Option A, because. Option B, but. Option C, or. Option D, therefore. So choose your correct answer and send your response to this toll-free number 6357399480.